Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after hair products on the market, the best 360 deep wave lace front wigs human hair. Whether you're new here or a returning viewer, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews like this one. Now, let's talk about why this 360 deep wave lace front wig from Zomeme Hair is making waves in the beauty community. It's crafted from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, ensuring not only durability but also that natural, silky look we all desire. First off, the hair quality. It's soft, true to length, and importantly, it's tangle-free and sheds minimally. Plus, you can style it any way you like, from high ponytails to elegant buns, thanks to its full lace design. Another standout feature is the 360 HD lace frontal, offering a more natural look and enhanced breathability. This wig suits all skin tones and comes in various lengths, ensuring there's an option for everyone's preference. When it comes to value, this wig stands out. Plus, with Zomeme Hair's commitment to customer service and a 30-day refund policy, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Speaking of satisfaction, let's hear from real users. Many have praised how easy it is to maintain and style, making it a go-to choice for both newbies and seasoned wig wearers alike. In conclusion, if you're looking for a top-tier 360 deep wave lace front wig that combines quality, style, and affordability, look no further than this offering from Zomeme Hair. I hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who might benefit from a fabulous new look. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews on the latest beauty and lifestyle products.